Kuki Inpi Sadar Hills in Kuki Inpi Manipur phatsahna noija bulte nisim ko chun samusong wangkho committee hola Kuki Inpi Bungpi Block ana semdohta vin ahi. Kuki Inpi Sadar Hills Vice President Administration Domin Oath Commissioner hi na le KISH Speaker Thanglin Say Returning Officer hi na noin Kuki Inpi Bungpi Area adinga kilengdo lamkai ho kitep na le Certificate of Election anakihom do in ahi. 2024 apat 2027 sunga Bungpi Block Kuki Inpi dinga lamkai ho chu President Let's Say Haukip, Secretary General T Zamngam, Vice President Admin T Onthong Haukip, Vice President External Ngamlun Kipgen, Finance Secretary M Thangboy Haukip, Assistant Finance Secretary Thangminlal Baite, Custom and Culture Zanglal Mate, Information and Publicity Secretary LH Khaiminlin Khongsai, Assistant Information and Publicity Secretary Thangniao Manlun, Treasurer Tumang Haukip, Advisor Haukholin Tothang. Lamkai kilengdo chengchu KBC Gambi number 2 Pastor Hup Tinlal Hang Singin Thando na ananezin ahi. Bungpi Block Inpi a umbeto sonin KISH noija block nga a umin hichengho chu Bungpi Inpi, Highland Mall Inpi, Cycle Inpi, Southwest Inpi le Tuilang Inpi ahi. KISH Vice President Admin Dominlal Haukipmin aholim na a Kuki Inpi Bungpi lamkai ho tilkho na anezin Kuki Inpi lamkai khat ahi nawa koima ki chalo le mai phavelova thudi le thuta a vai ahin hop dingovin team na anezin ahi.